Good morning, folks. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and I thought today'd be a good day to take our motley crew outside for the first time. They don't know what to make of it, but they're exploring. 22 days old. That's little Gia there. Duke, hush. Don't they look wonderful? That's my little Gia girl. Someday she'll mate with Duke, but not quite yet. She's too young. Shelby. There's my mama. And there's Duke. Going crazy on a neighbor. He's just doing his job. Hello, babies. Good morning. What you making this all about? Hey! This is my red collar fella. This here's our purple collar fella. And of course our yellow and our white. Here's orange. Hello, babies. There's green. Sometimes in the pictures I know it's hard to tell the difference between, like, say, the blue and the purple. What you got to say? Alright. I'm going to cut it loose now so I can actually sit down on the grass and play with them. And then it's off to sanitizing the pen and baths and the whole morning routine. All right, folks, check back with me again soon. Have a great day. Bye.